How to find Midjourney promo code. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you one resources that you can go for you to be able to use up a promo code for Midjourney. So the very first thing is, of course, pull up your preferred web browser and then head into this website that's going to be grabon.in. Now, once you're on the official site, click on search for brands and categories, and then simply type in Midjourney. So as you can see, there are 9 coupons and offers available. So simply click that and then just choose on your preferred discount. So say you would like to have flat 20%, app exclusive offer, and so on and so forth. Click on the option here that says get deal for you to be able to copy the unique code and paste it into Midjourney. And that's it. That's how you find Midjourney promo code.